Hello everyone, welcome you all. I am Moneshri Babiche, lecturer in mathematics, Maratha Mandals, SG Patil, Pre-University College, Kiniye Belgavi. Students, in previous class we studied some properties of a determinant and depends on properties of a determinant. We discussed some examples on it. Students, in today's class, we have to study application of a determinant to find area of a triangle. In earlier class, we studied how to find the area of a triangle if there are given vertices of the triangle x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 is given by the expression 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, let us discuss that. If you have triangle, with the vertices x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, there are given three vertices. Then to find the area of a triangle, then we can use this formula 1 by 2 into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. But the same thing can be written in the form of determinant is equals to 1 by 2 x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. This is the important formula. Please note down this formula. Okay, then write a note or remark. Since area is positive quantity, we always take absolute value of the determinant. It may be positive, negative, but you have to take absolute value only. You have to take only positive value. Second one, if area is given, use both positive and negative value of a determinant for calculation. Students, let we start with some example on area of a triangle, which are the problems from the exercise 4.3. These problems important for 2 marks in part B section, 14th number question. Let us start examples. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 3, 8, minus 4, 2 and 5, 1. Let us start solution. The area of a triangle is given by, they are given 3 vertices. You have to know the formula. Determinant is equals to 1 by 2 into x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. Then x1 is what? 3 here. You have to write 3. x2 is minus 4. Write minus 4. x3 is 5 as it is. Then y1, what is y1? 8. You have to write 8. y2 2 y3 1 then 1 1 1 as it is. Then you expand along the first row or second row or third row, we'll get the same answer. Yes, we expanding along the first row here implies 1 by 2 into 3 into leaving first column and first row element 2 into 1 2 minus 1 into 1 1. Yes, minus 8 into leave second column first row element minus 4 into 1 minus 4 minus of 5 into 1 minus 5 plus 1 into leave this column and first row elements multiply minus 4 into 1 minus 4 minus of 5 into 2 10. Then simplify this one is equals to 1 by 2 into 2 minus 1 1 1 into 3 3 minus 8 as it is into minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 will get minus into minus plus will get here 9 8s are 72 plus 72 will get. Yes, then plus 1 into minus 4 minus 10 minus 4 minus 10 will get minus 14. Then you have to add this number 3 plus 72 75 75 minus 14 will get 61, but here divided by 2 is there, no, 61 divided by 2, that is the answer. Are you understood this? It is very simple, but that question will be asked for 2 marks in part E section. Okay, let us start second one question. Find area of a triangle whose vertices are 2, 7, 1, 1, 10, 8. This question was given in the year 2017 for 2 marks. Let us start solution. We know area of a triangle 2 is given by determinant is equals to 1 by 2 into determinant x1 is 2, x2 is 1, x3 is 10. You write column wise. Then y1 is 7, y2 is 1, y3 is 8. Then third column 1 1 1. Now simplify by first row. We get 1 by 2 as it is into bracket 2 into leave first row and first column. What will get 1 into 1 minus 8 minus 7 into leave second column first row 1 into 1 10 into 1 minus 10 will get plus 1 into leave first row element and third column will get 8 into 1 8 minus 10. This implies simplification. We get 1 by 2 into plus 1 minus 8 plus 1 minus 8. This implies minus 7. Minus sign is important here. Minus sign. Minus 7 into 2 minus 14 minus 7 as it is. 1 minus 10. 1 minus 10 is what? Minus 9 into minus 7. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus will get 9 7s are 63. We have to write here. Then plus 1 into 8 minus 10 minus 2. This implies if you solve this simplification we will get 47 by 2. Yes.